Tonight at 6 to prepare for mass COVID-19 vaccination efforts, the Douglas County Health Department has temporarily closed down its STD clinic, a clinic that performs thousands of STD tests each month. Good evening, I'm Maya Sines.
And I'm Courtney Johns. The clinic staff have been reassigned to help with vaccinations, but the change will mean less access to STD testing. 3 News Now reporter Ruta Olsonida shows us what that means for the county that throughout the years has seen some of the highest STD rates in the country.
When the COVID-19 vaccine becomes widely available to the general public, the Douglas County Health Department will be one of the locations you can go to get a vaccine. To help with these specific efforts, the Health Department has decided to close their STD clinic. But that decision was not an easy one.
So we decided to close down the STD clinic primarily because we are offering COVID vaccination clinics. And that requires all hands on deck.
All hands on deck for COVID-19 vaccinations, but where does that leave STD testing in the county?
Douglas County is pretty interesting. It's tended pretty high on the STD rate, particularly chlamydia and gonorrhea. Over the years, we've been one of the highest counties in the country at various points.
Before the pandemic, the entire country was on track to have its highest STD rates ever. But STD rates dropped dramatically in 2020 despite those projections. Experts believe a lack in testing and clinic closings created that sharp downturn. Now the fear is what will happen to those rates when the pandemic is over.
A drop-off like that makes it a little bit scary to think about what we might be looking at once the pandemic is over and folks can fully access testing the way they're used to.
To avoid a health crisis within a pandemic, it's vital people still get tested. Planned Parenthood offers STD testing and understands why the Douglas County Health Department had to shut down their clinic.
They need to focus on COVID, and we're happy to help pick up some of the slack as much as we can with STD testing and make sure that folks get what they need.
The health department is working with multiple community partners like Planned Parenthood to still provide testing and treatment for STDs, all while preparing for a whole new challenge, vaccinating the general public for COVID-19. Reporting in Omaha, Ruta Olsonida, 3 News Now.